A God WOD This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Hyacinth Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. When you're deep on a mission, just stay focused on the mission. Things are going to happen to you, Maybe I'll snake. I'll go bite you. But if God send you on a mission, just stay focused and Him will carry you through to the end. Today, I'm going to read from the book when named Acts, chapter 28, from verse 1 to verse 17. After all we reach shore safe, we find out from the people them, say the island named Malta. The people them show we good face and treat we well good. And cause rain did start fall and it be cold, then catch up fire for we. Paul pick up one bungler bram and put it on the fire. When him do that, the fire eat cause one snake fi come out and grab on Paul hand. When the people see the snake hang on Paul hand, they say to them one another, say, "The man a most one murderer." Even though he get away from the sea, the God when him justice say him no fi live. But Paul shake him off in the fire and not never do him. But the people didn't look for see him swell up or drop down dead same time. But after them wait for a long time and not see nothing happen to him. Them change their mind and say, him a one God. Close to where that did happen to Paul, one man named Publius did have him house and land. Him did the head for the government for the island. Him take we in a house and take good care of we. And we turn a house for 3 days. Publius' father did sick in a bed. He did have fever and one sickness we make him belly run and cause him to vomit. Paul go in go see him, and after him pray for him, put him on pan him and make him better. After that, whole heap of people on the island where did sick come to Paul for make them better. The people them show enough respect, and when we did out for left, then give we everything where we did need. After we spent 3 months there, we left in our ship where they come from Alexandria and where they dip on the island for the winter. The ship the name the Twin God. We tap in a Syracuse harbor and stand there for 3 days. We left there so and sailed to Regium City. The next day, one strong breeze we blow from the south, take way, and the second day we reach a Puteoli. We find some people who believe in a Jesus there, and then beg we fit turn with them for 7 days. After that, we left and go to Rome. When the brother and sister them are Rome hear about we, some of them come all the way at Appius Market and some come at the place called 3 Inn, come meet we. When Paul see them, him take heart and give God thanks. When we reach a Rome, the government allow Paul to live in one house, him one. Nobody ne have to stand there with him. Only the soldier will guard him. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.